this tutorial, we will find the largest and the smallest number within the R programming. So how we can do it out? First of all, we have a built-in function inside the R programming language, and that is called as the max. Okay, that is represented by the max. Okay, in this max function, we can insert what sort of values we want. Okay, you can insert any number like 12, 23, 44, 51 and 60. Okay, and it will return us the maximum number out of all these numbers. So we will run it out and we can see that we got here 60. And now what about the minimum value? Now if we want to find the minimum value, then we can insert certain numbers like 22, 90, 34, 22, 76 and 8. Now this function will analyze and give us the lowest value. Okay, so now you can see that we got 8 is the answer, which is the lowest value within this set. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can find the max number and the min number within a set inside the R programming language. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.